Thank you again for taking your time out to watch our short videos here at the National Gear Repair. This here is one of our ZPMC gearboxes that we're doing for the Port of Oakland. We do a lot of these gearboxes for the port, basically gantry cranes and mini gantry cranes as well. This particular box here, you can see the gearing seems to be in decent condition. So we will be replacing every bearing and every seal. As you can see the wear here. We're going to be line boring the bearing housing and then reset the bearing floats and preloads to the OEM specs. And we're going to hand dress the gears, revarnish the inside of the box, and then reseal it and deliver it up to the port for our client. We specialize on the free pickup, free delivery, and free quotes nationwide. And the unique thing about National Gear Repair is my warranty starts when you put it in production. So if I happen to do a gearbox for you and you do not put it in production for a couple of years, your warranty actually starts when you put it in production. And all our mechanics here are certified through Timken, Falk, Dodge, and many qualifications. Most of our mechanics are journeyman millwright, and we're specialists when it comes to any rotating equipment. So please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Please continue to watch the remaining of this video. It's a short 3 or 4 minute video. And if you have any questions or any concerns, please leave a comment and we'd be happy to reply to you. Thank you.